Wait, can't do this with thing off. Let me just... That might have been a bit too close to the mic. Fuck. No, not my cat cloud. Cat speech recognition. That's all pictures. Nice. Just build it up. Nice and DP. Please fix. We have error. Oh no. Efficiency is measured not just in money, but with metals too. Nice. Not as unfinished your sword progression while boosting your self-esteem at the same time. Nice. To get a medal, your scheme has to meet the respective time and node limit. Okay. Trash can in the game. This thing destroys elements. For detail, no matter how many trash cans you place, they will count for one node in the node limit. Okay. Real data sets have a lot of errors. Filtering out errors is a very important skill for all data scientists. Cool. So in the game, you could actually destroy data, but normally you cannot. I could put two? Wait, but I could only have one trash and it counts for a node. So what if blue go here, if else go straight? That's what it seems like. So if blue goes here, if else go here. Nice. Okay, so I'm starting to understand how it looks, how it reads. That's simple enough. Nice. Okay. Okay. Release. Cat Cloud. New learning things cost stuff. It's us again. New types of errors made by our users. Please update. Okay. Okay. Neural artificial. Mankind has always been trying to create an artificial intelligence. Talked with the patient. The question similar to this. It worked horribly. I could imagine. I wonder how that works. Custom, very special, previously designed schemes. How does that work? Okay. So what? Top one was trash. How did... Wait, what? They want only red? So what? Then they want the normal stuff going to trash, and then the reds that were in trash going to... Eh? Am I tripping? I might be tripping. I'm probably tripping. Yeah. The things that would go to trash go past it. How does that work?
That's so...
Why would
This
you...
is so sad.
Why?
Can we please use our Prime subs?
Why did you do that? Stop that shit. That's weird. I'm not doing nothing. Out of 32, so that was actually good. Wow. Amazing. Chatbot, so cute. Optimization and medics. Why would save your thing? Fuck. That makes no sense. Hmm. Are you winning, son? I'm never winning. There's the point to lose. The point of life in games is to lose. If you're not losing, are you truly winning? Sift. I'm using nails or glue or something. Profound, very. I'm losing my mind. Nodes have different processing rates. Okay. One element of data. Okay, so you could, that's how you could optimize, by changing up the trees. This node compares output parameters, the sockets, with an element's color. If the element color is equal to only one socket's color, the element moves to that socket. If an element's color satisfies both conditions, or none of them, it goes to a random socket. Oh. So green would go to both for a random one, while blue and red go always to blue and red. Decision tree is one of the basic machine learning algorithms. Each tree knows a limited number of classes for each element. The tree asks some questions and chooses the class most similar to the element. Simple enough. So if I need green on both, they just showed me this. Green will be that, blue and red goes there. And that should be it. Where green goes random and blue and red go to the other. Simple, straightforward. Nice. Okay. What on medics? Ingredients are companies manufacturing all organic natural painkillers. Oof, they're used to decrease suffering, mood improvement, and coping with eating disorders. Non side effects include dilated papers, diarrhea, physical and mental addiction caused by the human factor. From time to time, our workers pick the wrong plants because they look like medical herbs. Yikes. Like to design an algorithm that would sort herbs by petal color. Okay. Arrows on the screen, arrows up and down. Space to pause. Okay, simple enough. So I need 3. I need 2 with red and green. I could use 3. An expert system, believe. I could only do 1-to-1, right? It's not like I could do it 2. Yeah, okay. Simple. Okay. I could technically do that, right? And if it's blue, that just seems wrong. It doesn't matter because I could only use 1 node anyways. Okay, simple enough. Straightforward. Would be the most effective. Hold on. Fucking okay. That? I need green and red in both. Green goes everywhere. That would be make it random. So red would have to go here. Green would still be random. Red. But I would still need red and blue to go here. What the fuck? And green would only go here. How do I get green to both of these? I need to... I feel like that's trash. That... What would I do with only 2? There's not enough nodes. Right? Yeah, red would go down this pipeline. Then I would still need red to go down here, which I can't do like that, because then it disconnects from here. I would have to get a second one. And if it's blue, it goes up top. And if it's anything else, it would go here. But the one big issue is, how does green go up here if it's only red? But I guess red would be random, right? Let's test run. Green. Yeah, so it just refuses to let me any greens go up top. Yeah, 'cause there's no greens going this way. Did I just have reds going down? Oh. Hold on. You might be right. I just make all of them any. Nah, because then it would have to go through here, which still takes more time. I mean, it does. It does work. It's just a lot of wasted time. And a lot more going down here. Not very efficient. I mean, technically it works. And not enough. RIP. Low accuracy? Yeah, okay. I assumed. Like, not like I could add specific blue to go here to trash, but like, there's no reason for me to move a trash. Hold on. Expert system. If blue, honk, if it's blue, here, if it's not, it goes here. So then, if it's blue, it'll be going directly there, and if it's red or green, what? Then I could technically do. Nope, because then I would need another expert system, which puts more. do you mean the first is not what you think? This? Yeah, it puts red and green through this pipe and blue and green through this pipe. Red and green, blue and green. The issue is I can't do two from the cargo data. It has to be through one direct pipeline. So then how the fuck do I move shit from here down here to another red and green? Red, green, blue, green. How the fuck do I get more stuff to the other one? I need another red, green. If I could get this pipeline somewhere else that then duplicates, I don't know. Divide, I don't remember how that works. Am I fucking stupid? Might be. Without blue. But again, it would. Again, this is just a direct node. So I don't see how that would help me. Red, green. It's not like I could do another one. Like that. Yeah, that seems to be it. Okay. Nice. I mean, if it works, I'm gonna complain. I saved on a node. Okay. Yay. Wait, hold up. Oh, above the thing. Okay. It's not very equally balanced, but it works. Could have been faster though. Faster would require less nodes, which I already did. It works. I'm gonna complain. With unlocked track. Yeah, I didn't need to. Nice. Okay. Illuminati origin, crowd psychology. Well, I need to do the others before I can do that. Illuminati origins. Good day. I study ancient manuscripts and books in order to figure out the true story behind the Illuminati secret society. It's cats. It's always cats. It's always been cats. I need to recognize all the triangular shapes in these documents to solve the puzzle. Can you design? What? Nice. Decision tree is one of the automatic data analysis. The first ideas creating decision trees date back to the work of Hoagland and Hunt in the 50s and the 20th century. However, the fundamental They give it. Hot iron, stone. Okay. Oh, that's what I'm doing. Ugh, I don't like that. That one's a silver. Recognize all the triangular shapes. Yeah, okay. Doing Illuminati. In the game. Sift. What? This node compares shapes. Oh, if an element shape matches the design shape, said element goes to the top socket, others go to the bottom socket. Okay. So not only are there colors, now there's also shapes. In the real world, SIFT, scale invariant transform feature, is one of the most powerful non-neural algorithms for detecting features on pictures. Image recognition. SIFT is very fast and is capable of recognizing simple objects and patterns. Okay, simple enough, simple enough. It's the same thing as here. So I need what? Triangles? If triangle direct, if not, go to trash. Simple enough. Yay. Release. Accept. Looking for the man feels too easy, boring, or soul-sucking. Aim for the sky and become a CTO of a startup. In the world of salvage market laws, it's either sink or swim. Switch or bite the dust. It's worth trying anyway. Fair enough. Pizza Shack. Smith's Pizza Shack. Hello, we're honored to invite you to our startup. Oof. AI controlled pizza place. We all know how that turns out with Freddy. The code because of that. Help us write and implement our algorithm that separate orders for round pizza from order. I don't see how that works, but okay. Schemes that bit created for startup does not differ from any other, but there's no solution to startups. The scheme just works better in other. Okay. Cool. If circle, go there, else go there. And I don't get triangles anyways, so. Oh. Trying to design an AI controlled pizza place that serves pizza in round and square shapes. Nice. The scheme you're designing is the brain of the pizza robot. It source orders. Okay. This is your startup, in this case, your pizza restaurant. They heard of a new amazing place in town and want to grab a slice. Your client's orders and millennials don't care too much about toppings, only shape. Okay. Fucking millennials ruining my pizza. The price they ordered, they will pay you money and tell their friends about your place. If the client doesn't get what they want, they refuse to pay and don't expect them to return with friends. More thing, clients don't like waiting in queues and they will leave with no hesitation. If your scheme is working slowly, the waiting line will get longer. Okay, so that's why the accuracy and time matters. The market is constantly changing, so pay attention to what's going on and experiment with your schemes. And now it's time to launch your first startup. I mean, this one's pretty straightforward. There's nothing else. We don't get triangles. Your principal sources of information about your startups. Next day. When you switch to the next day, you get the money you've earned or lost depending on how many users requests were processed by your scheme. Hey, look, your users seem to like what your scheme is doing. They're even inviting friends. The cash is flowing. When hype icon is green, that means your startup is all over the news. Expect lots of new users. Hype. Amazing. Tree? What is tree? Oh. Okay. What does this do? changes when I is already aware of your startup, but don't expect any new users. Okay. Okay. Higher cup. That means you satisfied target hours. Users starting to leave. If your earnings carefully, when the number becomes red, it's time to cash out. From Mom, Dad, hello dear. Remember how you cherish your friendship. Come on, you BDs around the corner. Forget to put a hat on. Go outside. Thank you. eBay? Oh, I could buy things. That's nothing. That's tabs. Scom 3 installed, mandatory for purchase. Protects from radiation. Cat Marine. Hardware? Oh. So, Yink. Where's the cash out button? Cool. Yep. Gato. Okay. Fair enough. Again. Okay. Circle, square, triangle. So if circle, go here. If circle, go here. If not circle, go here. And if you are a square, you'll go here. And if you're not, all that's left is a triangle, so you'll go here. I feel like speed-wise, that's not really, but I don't see what else I could do. Amazing. I feel like there's something I'm missing. Like, it has to be faster. It has to be sub 37 seconds. How do I speed it up? I'm only using 2 nodes. I see the server cost. I genuinely don't see how this could be any faster. Unless I could somehow speed up that number, I don't see how that could... So it's literally like a second. Sort for block first? I don't see how that would... Oh, because there's more data. You're right. That makes sense. That would make sense. No, I think it should go to square last. Block should be last. Because we have so much more. Triangle should probably be first. Triangle should be first because we have the fewest of them. And if it's not that, then it should go here. And then next should be circle. And then last, square. I think that should be it. Unless I got it backwards. Because we have so much more squares, they'll be going there more. So it should take the longest route. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ah. Nice. That. Nice. Nice. That's nice. Ruby. Hold on, is that how I could fix this shit? Seconds. Can I somehow speed it up with another thing? No, this doesn't make it faster, it just makes it slower. A lot of red, but green is very random. How could I streamline green? I can't. Hold on, I used updates. Because of this. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Fuck, I was hoping to pause it. Red. How does that work? Confusing. Maybe I can make it faster by throwing and... Try it like that. It's blue, it'll go directly here. If it's something else, which is red and green, these will be red and green. So I need a green. Heck. Hold on, brain. Seems very wrong. Like culturally wrong. That would technically work. But then I don't get green in the middle, which is not good. Wish I could get like a reverse. I mean, I don't need green in the middle. Yeah, I do. It's green and blue. Green and blue. And I need green and reds here. Right? It's not required? Actually? Still slow as fuck though, because it's per second. Hold on. In that case then, what if I replace the expert system with a decision tree and just put would any still grab blue? Okay, so not enough. Fills out the other two pretty goddamn fast, but not the blue. Three nodes? Fuck. Oh, because I could. No, I see. I see. I get it. This side will have all the blue. We'll have all the red. And green will go random. Will go anywhere. Is that gonna work? Yeah. Damn, that makes sense. Okay, yeah. That does make sense. don't know why I didn't think of that. Multiple outlets can't go to the same thing. Oh, that's very parallel. Yeah, no, yours is definitely better. Damn. See, mine is very random. I don't know why. My decisions are just like, oh yeah, it should be equal, right? If it's random. But like, no, it's not equal if it's random. Yours is very neat. Good day. Our company is making a research on crowd psychology. We need an algorithm for will be capable of defining a person's type based on certain behavior patterns. We have identified the patterns to work with and would need an experienced developer to write the algorithm. Okay. So I need what? So if circle, oh, hold on. Definitely have to separate green. Green and red go here. Oh, why did hold on. I'm gonna optimize later. I'm just gonna let my brain do brain thing real quick. Green triangles. Other things will be red and blue squares. Then I need red and blue. Hold on, that's fucking colors. That'll change it to red and blue squares. Red and blue non-triangles. This will give me only green triangles. Then I also need red squares. Fucking okay. Hold on. Triangles. This will specifically pour out only triangles. Which also just so happens to have the fucking most. What do you mean think like computer? I don't think like computer as much as I want to. I'm just not good at thinking like computer. I like art, my dude. Green, red. I get red triangles this way. I don't have red triangles. Should I be using a I feel like I should use a trash then, right? I need more nodes. I definitely need more nodes. Triangle, green triangle. If it's not triangle, we'll be going to circle. Square. Hold up. Hold up. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck the trash can. Bonk. I won't have else at this point because it'll all be sifted through. Hey, pizza! Why you gonna make me sit up straight? I know I sit like shrimp. Okay, so triangle. Blue. Triangle? I only need green triangle. Other is red circle. Square. Square. If square. Square red. Red square. Be Russian. Red square go here. Red square go here. I just knew you were slouching. Good to see you. I'm always slouching. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Hold on. What if... Circle. No circle. All circle go here. Circle. Blue circle. Circle blue and red. Circle blue and red. Circle blue and red. Red squares. Squares go both. Square also go blue. Square also go blue. Fuck, that one needs 18 though. And I work too much today and I have work early tomorrow. Oof, good night pizza. I know how that feels. Oh god. Making me think about work. Damn. Square. Hold on. I don't care about anything else. I just need more of these numbers, right? Oh, but then there's accuracy as well. Fuck. Red square. Only red squares. If not red square, go trash. Disappear. Circle. Circle, go blue and red. And then triangle. Triangle. Green triangle. All triangle. Green triangle. Let's run. But not. Out of time, low accuracy. Fair. Fair. Okay, but also the different colors were... So I need to use trash. Damn. You're the goal. What are you talking about, pizza? No way. Damn. Sif doesn't allow colors, does it? Only shapes. Damn. You're just a guy. You are just a guy, but you're a cool guy. Okay. As I've learned, that doesn't fucking work. I do need square. So weird that everyone's always excited, happy is leader. It's because you bring the vibes, Pizza. You just bring the vibes, bro. Hold on. Circle. What has the most? They're the most green triangles, which is why it goes the fucking longest. Oh, it should be going the longest. Circle. What has the least? I have the least circles. I have the least circles. You should be triangle. Green triangle. Green triangle. Nice. So circle. Hold on. Squares red. I have the most red squares. A lot of red squares. I have a decent amount of blue circles. Triangle's got to go to the trash. Trash. No, I need to get rid of other stuff. Hold on. Oh, what if I sort it by color instead of shape first? That might be better. That seems like it'll be more efficient as well. Sort it by color first. Right? So it would be the most best. There's 3 reds. So if it's red, red square. I only go to 1. Fuck you. Red triangle. Fuck red triangles. Triangles go to trash. Means red squares and circles go to both. That doesn't help either. I would still need red squares. Ah. Billion. Could do like this. Okay, okay. So if this triangle, trash. But if it's the other 2 that I actually need, hold on. No. Instead of trying, but then the triangle would go random. I don't want it to go random. I would get squares and circles. Circles would go up here. This would only be squares. Which doesn't fucking help. I am so bad at this. Blue and green? This will filter out all the green triangles. And this will be everything green and red. Red goes into both. And then blue. Blue. Everything. Oh, blue and red, blue and red, blue and red. I need blue everything except triangles. Ah! Like, I wouldn't need anything. I'd be getting red and blue squares. And the triangles would also be coming from here. Which, fuck that. Hold on, so I could do something like that, right? But I still need red fucking squares over here. I'm genuinely having headaches now. Fuck. And the xylophone does not help at all. Shit down. My head. Oh, like it genuinely, this is genuine pain. I am so bad at this. Genuinely. I got blue and green. Red is still going random. I need red. I don't need red triangles. Oh, how could I? So I only need with that and those two. So fifth triangle, go there. But then it won't go through. What if I do it if then, right? So if it's a triangle, go to green. It's not like it's gonna change the color. It's still gonna be going through red and blues. How the fuck do I split this? I need green triangle. So here I need red and green triangles. And red and blue. See, that only... Why can't I sift by fucking color? God damn it. This doesn't sift, it just throws a specific color one direction and another in the other. Like all greens will go here, but then all blues could go in the fucking trash. Okay, but I still need the other color to also go into the trash. I need the greens to go specifically here. Just because the data is going to be going through here doesn't necessarily mean that that's going to be the best. So if it's another shape, which in that case will be circles and squares, red and blue circles and squares will be going there, and all the triangles will be going down anyways. So circles and squares will all be going up. Hold the fuck up. And I can't sift by color. God damn it. If it was a green circle or square, I could just fuck you. Happy birthday, they're small number anyway. That's still gonna get at least 10 wrong. Or red. 10 wrongs. So if I do this, but then it's still prolonging the fucking time. It'll increase accuracy, but gotta like greens, but then reds and blue are going into the trash. Wait, hold on. Doesn't matter how many trash cans I add, right? Yeah, all the trash cans go to the same one. Forgot about that. These are all going to be red and blue squares. But I need green, red and blue. I need this green to be trashed. So what? If green trash, then it's still red and blue. And this also needs to be blue. Not necessarily. This just filters out green, red, and blue will go into the trash. And it's also... This isn't an if statement then, though. Am I a fucking idiot? Yeah, it's gonna take way forever. I'm just sorting. I'm not actually doing anything. Who knew sorting is gonna be the thing that gets me? Oh my god. Apparently I wouldn't even make it a bronze. 6, 7. Oh, fuck you, Shorzy. Hold on. Maybe it'd be better if... But it goes directly into it, which makes this fucking pointless. Because I'm going from one stream back into splitting into two, going back into one. And if I do it like that, the blue will still be split amongst them randomly. Maybe this is the ending. This is the wrong part. Maybe I should focus on what I'm removing more than what I'm adding. No, but then that fucking square is an issue. I still need red squares down there and up here. can't sift through colors, only shapes. How do we do this? Sifting adds a whole ass second. If I could do this without sift, it would be better. Can I do this purely through color? Let's see if I can do this purely through color. The first obvious thing would be to get rid of green. I would want red to go into both. So it'd have to be blue and green. It'd have to be blue and green. Red goes into both. But it still have to be fucking shapes too, because the fucking triangles. So I would still need to somehow sift through the colors, which means I can't do that. I'd have to use one of these because of that goddamn fucking triangle. What if I do it later though? Like if it's a green triangle, it's a green triangle, the green triangle it goes through, otherwise it's straight to the trash. Okay, green triangle goes directly, otherwise it's trash. And that's also the other colors. So these will... You'll still be getting red triangles going through. So what, another filter here? Or if it's green, it goes through. But if it's red, it goes to the trash. Then what, blue and red? These will be the other shapes. No, but this will be the green and red. I need the red fucking circles and squares though. The red circle and squares. Green and red. this will still be right. But it's still gonna be red triangles as well. I don't need red triangles. So it'd have to be like this. So if it's how do I do the negative on this? I do my mazes backwards. I can't do this backwards. So this way it'll be green and red. Green and red. So green and red triangles. Green and red triangles. And the green going here. Red triangles track. And then, so from here we'll be coming green and red non-triangles. Which I need to get rid of all green. So what, another fucking green and red? If it's red. If it's green. I don't like this. This hurts. This is gonna be blue and red. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry so hard. Blue and red, but if you're a triangle, fuck you. But if you're a blue or red triangle, trash. But if you're a blue or red, anything else, you're good. Fuck blue and red triangle. Okay. But then that doesn't help me with another thing because I can only go one at a time. God damn it. So this way I've successfully removed blue and red triangles. But then the green is still bleeding through here for both. But if you're a triangle, you're being thrown away. So even if you're green, I'm literally losing all of this right here. Fuck. I can't do that. So I need to sort stuff before I could throw anything away. Which means I have to put the sifts at the beginning. Like I did at the fucking... I hate this. Sift at start is too slow. But if I start throwing shit away, it instantly kills everything. Maybe I should leave triangle for the very last. What has the least? Blue has the least. Triangles. Green triangles are good. If it's not a triangle, then green is bad. Not a green triangle, not good. Green and anything out, but then it still fucking mixes blue in. Ah! As far as I understand, this is going to be random. So some blue non-triangles are going to be still being thrown away. No, fuck you. Don't tell me shit. Might be pride talking out my ass, but... I feel like this is going to be... I feel like this is going to fuck me up, though. What's CST? Oh? This will be all the different shapes. I don't remember what it is. God dang it. Circle, box, triangle. Circle, box, triangle. And I need colors. Circle, box, triangle. Green triangle's good. Any other triangle? See, but it's like... I put blue into trash. I'm then gonna have to also put a filter here for red. We're just gonna have to green good, but then red again. It goes into the trash. And that fills up all my fucking shit already. And if it's a square, it needs to be anything but green. I know it's gonna get me a silver though, right? Let's see. Yeah, and it's so fucking slow. Yeah. Oh. Which means this is just simply not it. You cannot do that. I'm gonna crash out on this. If I work backwards. I feel like I have to have a single sip at the beginning. Both of those have to go to the trash, but this one has to stay. Red or blue triangle goes to trash. Right? But I'm still going to be getting green circle and squares here as well. So, yonk here. Green circle and squares also go to trash. Then hold on, it doesn't separate these, it just puts all greens here. Does it? Yeah, because it just moved a green circle through here. Which means any means also some greens get left through. Means I would have to do a double. Wait, what? Yeah, and put both greens here. So filters out blue and red go through, but green doesn't. But that's way too fucking much already. Isn't it? And I still need green triangles over here. Which means I would need green triangles here. What the fuck? But then red still goes into here as well. I don't think I could do this backwards because I need green to go through, but here I'm removing green. So this one would have to be something opposite to that. And then again, I would need 2 to filter it out. Else, I could do something like this, where this is blue, green. So blue and red are still going through here. And then if it's a green triangle, it goes through. Otherwise, it gets trashed. But red and blue, but if it's a red or blue triangle, green triangle goes through, red and blue triangle. Right, green, green triangle go through. Red, blue triangle, bad. Triangle, bad, else good. Is this it? Did I finally, I think I did. I just saw blue down here. When the fuck? I need another color for down here. So before this reaches here. The blue goes here, but then I also, yeah. Here I need, for you, I need red to split in here. Blue and a red. Right? Test. Why was it doing that? Blue's getting through. Blue and red. Why was it crashing there on blues? Blues should just be sorted through else. It's in queue. Sift is slower. Is that why? I just have too much traffic, basically. Well, fuck. So I have to put sifts at the beginning. How do I do this? God damn it. No sift at beginning, but then I have too much traffic between these fucking colors. I'm sorting blue and I'm putting all the greens here, and I'm putting all the red and blue here. I genuinely have no idea how else I could do it. Oh, so that's traffic. Ran out of time, low accuracy. Fuck you. I mean, I have 100% there and 93. Wait, hold on. Why does the bottom get 93? What's passing through here? What's passing on the bottom? I need red squares, green triangles. Green triangles. Did I just see a blue triangle on the bottom? Blue should have went... Because blue triangles could go to the bottom. Blue is a random here. Damn it. Oh. How do I put less traffic on these guys? How do I put less traffic on them? I have to put another fucking thing. But how? Another sift? That's this. Yeah, the blues. Blues keeps going through there. Which, funny, the top has perfect accuracy. Because I'm sifting out the other stuff. I saw a swap through that. I wonder if maybe I could just fuck with the colors then. So blue, traffic-wise, is very even. But red and green will split at the very beginning. One will take the high road, the other will take the low. Green goes down, sifts, goes directly to there. So green and blue go down. Green and blue. I'll need blue here. If it's blue, it has to go to the track. Else it goes. No, fuck you. Else it goes to the trash. green. It's a green triangle it goes through. If it's anything else besides a triangle, trash. And if it's a blue triangle, it'll go to the trash. All the red will go up. Red and blue. So red and blue. I wish I could move this thing around. It'd be easier to see. So red and blues go up. Red and blue go up. With the triangle, it goes trash. Anything else, it should go through. And those should go through. So it's again stammering. Is it color wise? Hold on. Is it even gonna get a bronze? Because that's just diabolical. Ran out of time. So the top is good, it's the bottom, and the accuracy is perfect. So now it's just loadout. Oh, because I need red squares here as well. This will be circle. Circle goes up there. So like that. But again, it's still the time that's an issue. Now I just made it slower. Which means I need more of these over here. So I need a bigger delay here before I Fuck. Circles are pretty even and blue is pretty even. Those need to go to trash anyways. But I need to sort it by color before I could do anything else. Because otherwise it's trash. It just overloads my servers. I don't like that. So what if I do it like this? red, it'll go here, red, blue. If it's green, it'll be green, blue. So if it's a green triangle. If it's a green triangle, it goes through. If it's blue, it should go up. These will be all green at this point. If it's green, it goes through, else track. So then every red, blue will be going up here. And if it's green, it'll be down there. All red, blues up here. The triangle, it should be going to track. Red, blue. Red and so all green's gone at this point. So it's red and blue. And if it's a triangle, it goes trash. Else. It's good. It seems like this is perfect, but then it's gonna overload, isn't it? Yeah. Fucking immaculate. Specifically up top. I had a second left. Let's go. 1 second. Oh my gosh. Oh. Nice that I went through everything and even like topped out my shit on the bottom. Pain. But it's a bronze. I get a silver by making this go through another one. Delaying the blue. If it's blue, it'll then have to get processed and then go back. Test run. That'll maybe create like a buffer. At least a little bit. No, because then it has 3 income streams. No. Still went through with an hour, but it was nothing. That is true. Another sift would probably be... It would delay it more. What did it, how would that work? Oh, just another one like that. Or if it's a triangle, it goes to trash, and if it's else, it goes back here. This one? That at least gave me a silver. You might not need trash. I definitely need trash. Because I need to discard the 10 and 10s. And if I want it faster, I would then have to sacrifice the accuracy. So it wouldn't be 100% anymore. They can stack up a bit? What do you mean they could stack up a bit? If I don't discard, I would be losing. Hold on, right here. Like if I don't discard, I don't need any triangles besides green. So I would still have at least 20 here that would fuck up the accuracy. Just don't connect that part. If I don't connect that part, they would just go through the top, no? What's that? What the shit? What do you mean? No, I did. I got it. That's gold. That's gold. Hold on. And the accuracy it is 100%. What? It technically doesn't work? What do you mean it technically doesn't work? Its accuracy is 100% and it filled up the data. What? Imagine bigger loads? Yeah, no, definitely. But you know what? Okay. Shit, it worked. It's gold. Where's the other bronze? I guess I fixed it. Oh look, optimization. You went blue triangle trash. No, that definitely made sense. It split up the workload amongst the 3 sifts, buying time, and I definitely see that. Yeah. Fuck. Yours is way better. I hope it's our last request of you. We changed our database system. Can you update your code one last time? We need it to work faster. Okay. What? Hold on, is it? What? Red direct if else trash. No? Hold on. See, this is what throws me off. You think that if it has less modules, it would be faster. It's not like it's peaking. Game does not explain this. The time is 3 times more. Oh shit, I wasn't looking. I'm stupid. My bad. Yeah, that should be it. Yep. Okay, I didn't look at the time. I'm stupid. Yay. Okay. Oopsies. Great. All gold, all gold. Nice. What is this? You ever stand to click on one of the banners to proceed further in the story? Well, considering I have all golds. Cats, biology, iRobot. Cat mail. Kato, robotics. This should definitely work. Cat, Eureka. Meow, what happened? Meow, yes, meow. Repeat, please, meow. The cat has been detected. Well, detected cat. More nodes, let's go. The perception of cat. Dairy products. Past the ancient epoch. What if I see the other ones? Bronze. Okay, here goes not. Nothing much really. Didn't work. The cat has been detected. Silver. It should work, and it almost did. Almost didn't work. Hold on. For cat, it did work. So it did work with gold. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, so I've managed to make my computer detect the cat, but that beast is a complicated soul. It definitely has more to tell. Maybe it's time to go next level and start recognizing emotion. Ooh. In 60 seconds to recognize written text. Nobody knows that everyone invented 60 is awesome by default. The double helix for rock and roll. Lava lamps. Lava lamps were made in the 60? How long is this game? It's not that long, is it? Oh, it's midnight. No, you're right. Damn, I'm really interested in this. Very long? Well, shit, this might be a whole stream thing. Also, you can maybe switch dogs to cat. Switch to dogs instead of cats. Decision trees work like a magic for my Pluto. You can also hit the store and get that random forest node. A forest is more effective than just one tree, you know? That is true. Can actually improve and learn. Bad news, they also make a ton of errors in the way. Percentage of errors is known on the icon. Using training mode to teach perceptions and decrease the amount of errors. In the game. In training mode, perception perceptron reduces the amount of errors while trying to predict the shape of elements. In test runs, perception only predicts shapes. In Mark 1's perception could recognize only simple linear dependencies, but it is enough to recognize English letters. So is this like an AI model, Tipa? 300 of each. Square, triangle, but it's on average. Yeah, it's ending like triangles and other shit as well. How is 20% a maximum margin of error? Isn't that... Oh wait, no, that's perception error. So it'd be 20% making mistakes instead of 75. So 20% error. Nice. Okay, that makes sense. It's an AI model. Simple. Alright, it is midnight, so I do gotta skedaddle. Nice. Grant's probably used it. Good for pictures. Nice. I cannot wait to play some more of this. Coder Brain, I am fucked if you think this is Coder Brain. I would genuinely actually like to do actual coding though, but damn. I'm at 24% for speech. Cat emotion 7%, so yay. I'm on what, chapter 2? Considering this is like what, 4? Damn. 4 chapters about. Is a good game, yeah. Too bad I'm not good gamer. Anyways. Good night.